I was telling you that uh, for the aqueous solutions, if you are going to electrolyze it, okay, so few points that you need to know that are for cations, remember, for cations, remember, for cations, let's suppose you have two types of cations, H positive and Na positive. Remember, you have H positive and Na positive. So the question is, both have positive charge, both have positive charge. Which one will go towards cathode first? I'm repeating, this is very important. Which one will go towards cathode first? Which one will go towards cathode first? This is the most important question. So remember, it depends on the E naught value. In IGCSE or O levels, you used to memorize the reactivity series, but in A2, we would not be doing the same thing. Examiner would be giving us the relative data. If you know that before that, examiner used to provide the data booklet in which all the values are written. So far, I'm going to tell you the values, then we have to decide which one is going towards cathode first, okay? So which one will go towards cathode first? Remember, more positive E naught value will go first towards cathode. Okay, let's suppose the value for H plus is 0.00 volts and the value for Na plus is, I don't remember. Let me see the data booklet. It's 97. Oh my god, it's 9701 data booklet. Yes. Okay. Na plus 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 Na plus. Yes, the first equation, which shows that this is negative 2.71, which shows that this is negative 2.71, negative 2.71 volts. What I told you, that the more positive E naught value will go towards cathode. So ultimately, if you have two ions in the same solution and I am asking which ion is going towards cathode first, so you are supposed to tell me H plus will go towards cathode first. H plus ion will win the race. H plus ion will win the race. H plus ion will win the race. If I ask why, so you're supposed to tell me H plus is having more positive E naught value compared to sodium. Are you all getting my point? Yes or no? Yes?
G.
Good. Okay. Okay, then anion. For anion. Okay. For anion. For anion. For anion means you have Cl minus, you have OH minus, So the same question, but they would go towards anode, not cathode. Not cathode, this is anode. Okay, anode. So we have to look at the value. Cl minus E naught is equal to, I don't know, let's see. Cl minus. Cl minus. Cl minus. Yes, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th equation in which the value is positive 1.36. Positive 1.36. It's positive 1.36 volts. And for OH minus, the E naught value is, for OH minus, the E naught value is OH minus, OH minus, OH minus, OH minus, OH minus, wait. Yes, this is OH minus, this is OH minus 0.40, 0.40, okay? Its value is positive 0.40. Now listen. Now listen very carefully. I was telling you that the more negative value will go towards anode first. Okay? More negative, or you can say less positive. Less negative means more positive. Now you have two values. It's 1.36 positive. It's positive 0.4. So it's less positive means this is more negative. Means this is more negative, if I'm not wrong. This is more positive means that this is less negative. So obviously, OH minus will win the race because it's having more negative E naught value. Are you all getting my point? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So no need to memorize the reactivity series, man. No need to memorize the reactivity series. This would be given to you. This data would be given to you, and then you would be deciding after looking at the data that which one is more positive and which one is less positive, which one is more negative and which one is less negative. We have a lot of examples. We have a lot of examples in which we would be deciding that which ion is going towards cathode first and which ion is going towards anode first. Okay. Good. So you can use the data booklet. You can download it, 9701 data booklet. You have a lot of examples. I have sent you the book already. You will see a lot of examples, including sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, aluminium oxide, iron oxide, potassium chloride, silver chloride, H2SO4, copper sulfate, copper chloride. A lot of compounds you would see, and then you would be deciding which ion is going towards cathode first and towards anode first. Then it depends on the value of the E naught. Like it depends on the E naught value. If the E naught value is more positive, so it would go towards cathode first. And if the E naught value is more negative, so it would go towards anode first. So that's it. Inshallah, we would be doing more examples. Okay, we would be doing more examples from the past papers, and then we would be starting electrolysis of copper sulfate, and then H2SO4, we would be using inert electrodes, we would be using reactive electrodes. And then afterwards, I would be telling you what is the difference between inert and electrode. When we use inert electrodes, that what would be the product, and if we are going to have reactive electrodes, so what could be the product. So is there any effect of using the different electrodes on the products? We would be discussing it. Okay.